Hello, bakers. I have a very big baking day ahead of me today. So I figured I would pop on, let you know what's going on, and then take some videos throughout the day and just tell you a little bit about what I'm doing, maybe doing a voiceover later. So I have started taking orders again for my Cottage bakery. So I've got, let's see, 6 orders today. So I've got dozens and dozens of chocolate chip cookies to make, which I've already prepared the dough. I just have to scoop it out and bake it and add any additives to certain batches. And then I've got a lemonade shortbread that I need to make, and I've got many sweetbreads, banana breads, pumpkin breads, different variations of those. So I'm going to start with the cookies and go from there. So thank you for being here and joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you enjoy our visit. You're probably going to see my hands for most of it. Maybe I'll pop back in at the end. All right. Like I said, my plan was to start off by baking the cookies. So here I am scooping my cookies out. Now, I do like to use a medium-sized ice cream scoop to scoop my cookies. I do this for two important reasons. First, because I want all the cookies about the same size. Second, because when they are the same size, they bake at the same time. So I won't have one little itty bitty cookie and then one big cookie, and the little itty bitty cookie will get baked to a crisp, and the big cookie will spread to infinity and then be gooey in the center. So by using the medium-sized ice cream scoop, I will never have that problem. Almost done. Time to pop in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. My chocolate chip cookies came out absolutely perfect and delicious. Take a look. There are 80 chocolate chip cookies right in front of you right now. Here we have baked lemonade shortbread and a variety of sweetbreads from pumpkin to banana, banana nut, banana cinnamon raisin, you name it, I've got it. All done, friends. Everything is packaged up and ready for delivery.